What if your next dishwasher could be the last dishwasher you buy for more than a decade? Because, let's be honest, nobody wants to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a dishwasher only to have it start leaking, making strange noises, or leaving dirty dishes behind a few years later. But here's the problem. Not every dishwasher is built for long-term ownership. And in 2026, a few brands still stand above the rest when it comes to reliability, construction quality, and long-term value. Now, one quick warning. No dishwasher brand can guarantee that a machine will last exactly 15 years. Real-world lifespan depends on the model, installation, water quality, maintenance, and how often you use it. But some brands give you a much better chance of getting 10, 12, or even 15 years of service. So today, we're counting down 5 dishwasher brands worth considering if longevity is your #1 priority. Let's get started. Number 5, KitchenAid. KitchenAid is one of those dishwasher brands that sits right in the sweet spot between affordable and premium. You're not necessarily paying luxury appliance prices, but you're still getting strong cleaning performance, quiet operation, and plenty of useful features. And there's another reason KitchenAid deserves a place on this list: its reliability record. According to Miele Appliance's 2026 service data, KitchenAid had a first-year service rate of about 8.2%, compared with an average of 8.8% across the dishwasher brands in its data set. Now that doesn't mean 8.2% of KitchenAid dishwashers are guaranteed to fail. It simply means that percentage required a service call during the first year, and that's an important distinction. Because when you're judging long-term reliability, the logo on the front is only part of the story. The specific model matters, professional installation matters, and regular maintenance matters too. If you're shopping for a KitchenAid dishwasher because you want it to last for many years, don't get distracted by every fancy feature. Instead, focus on the basics that can make a real difference over time. A durable stainless steel tub, an effective filtration system, a reliable wash system, strong and well-designed racks, and a construction that can be serviced without unnecessary complications. After all, 10 years from now, repairability could be far more valuable than having another smart feature you barely use. KitchenAid may not be the cheapest dishwasher brand, but it offers a strong balance of performance, quality, features, and price. And that's exactly why it earns the number 5 spot on our list. Number 4, Thermador. Now, Thermador is a very different proposition from KitchenAid. This is a premium appliance brand designed for homeowners who are willing to spend more for a high-end kitchen and want every appliance to match that level of quality. You're not buying Thermador because you want the cheapest dishwasher possible. You're buying it because you want premium design, sophisticated cleaning technology, quiet operation, and a machine that feels like it belongs in a luxury kitchen. But here's something particularly interesting. Thermador dishwashers share engineering DNA with Bosch, a brand that has built a strong reputation in the dishwasher market for reliability and performance. According to Miele Appliance's 2026 service data, Thermador had a first-year service rate of about 8.1%, which is very close to Bosch's reported rate. That makes Thermador an interesting option for shoppers who want premium features without completely sacrificing reliability. However, there's one thing I would strongly recommend checking before you buy: service. Seriously, find out who actually repairs Thermador appliances in your area. Because even the most sophisticated dishwasher can become a frustrating investment if you have to wait weeks for a qualified technician or discover that replacement parts are difficult to obtain. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make when purchasing expensive appliances. They spend hours researching the dishwasher itself, comparing features, finishes, and specifications, but they forget to research what happens when the machine eventually needs a repair. So, Thermador can be an excellent premium choice, especially for a high-end kitchen, but only when you have reliable, local service and access to replacement parts when you need them. Number 3, Bosch. Now we're getting to one of the biggest names in the dishwasher industry, Bosch. If you've ever researched quiet dishwashers, chances are you've seen Bosch mentioned again and again. And there's a good reason for that. Bosch consistently ranks among the strongest choices for homeowners who want a combination of quiet operation, dependable performance, and modern features. According to Miele Appliance's 2026 service data, Bosch had a first-year service rate of about 7.8%, which is below the 8.8% average across the dishwasher brands in the same dataset. But reliability isn't the only reason people choose Bosch. Quiet operation is one of its biggest advantages. Many Bosch models operate in the high 30s or low 40s in terms of decibels, making them especially appealing in modern open-concept kitchens. You can run the dishwasher while watching television, talking with your family, or sitting at the kitchen table without feeling like an airplane has suddenly started taking off underneath your countertop. Then there's drying performance. Some higher-end Bosch models feature crystal dry technology, which is designed to improve drying, including on difficult plastic containers. And if you've ever opened a dishwasher after a long cycle only to find plastic containers covered in water, you already understand why that feature can be so useful. However, don't assume every Bosch dishwasher is exactly the same. The lineup includes different price levels, and construction, features, and performance can vary. If longevity is your priority, don't automatically choose the cheapest Bosch model. Look closely at the specific series, tub construction, wash system, drying technology, and local service availability. Overall, Bosch remains one of the safest all-around dishwasher choices in 2026. Quiet, efficient, well-engineered, and proven. Number 2, ASKO. ASKO isn't nearly as common as Bosch or KitchenAid, but if durability is your top priority, it's a brand you should definitely know about. ASKO has built its reputation around premium appliances, robust construction, and a strong focus on long-term mechanical durability rather than simply packing every dishwasher with the latest smart features. And that approach makes a lot of sense when you're buying an appliance you hope will last 10 or even 15 years. Sometimes, simple and durable can be far more valuable than complicated and flashy. ASKO dishwashers are designed with quality materials and solid construction in mind, which can make them an attractive choice for homeowners who prioritize longevity and dependable performance. But there is one important catch: service availability. Compared with more mainstream brands, ASKO has a smaller repair and service network in many markets. That means you absolutely need to check whether authorized technicians and replacement parts are readily available in your area before making the purchase. Imagine spending several $1,000s on a premium dishwasher, only to discover that there's nobody nearby who can properly diagnose or repair it. That can quickly turn a great appliance into a frustrating and expensive experience. So, I'd describe ASKO as an excellent choice if you have strong local support. If you do, its focus on durability and premium construction can be very appealing. But if service availability is limited where you live, I'd rather see you choose a slightly more mainstream brand that can be repaired quickly, easily, and affordably. And that brings us to number 1. Number 1, Miele. Miele deserves serious attention if your biggest priority is long-term reliability and your budget isn't the main concern. According to Yale Appliance's 2026 data, Miele had a first-year service rate of just 5.6%, the lowest rate in its dishwasher dataset. For comparison, Bosch came in at 7.8%, Thermador at 8.1%, and KitchenAid at 8.2%. Now, it's important to remember that a first-year service rate doesn't tell you exactly how long a dishwasher will last, but it can still be a useful signal when comparing brands. Miele also has another major advantage: its reputation for premium construction and quality. The company isn't trying to compete with the cheapest dishwashers on the market. Instead, Miele focuses on customers who are willing to pay more upfront for a premium ownership experience, strong performance, and thoughtful engineering. Depending on the model, you can also get features such as auto dose, which automatically dispenses detergent, advanced drying systems, and automatic door opening at the end of a cycle. Of course, there's one major downside: price. Miele dishwashers can cost considerably more than mainstream alternatives, so they aren't necessarily the best choice if you're simply looking for the cheapest dishwasher or the most features for your money. But if your goal is to buy a premium dishwasher, keep it for many years, and reduce the likelihood of dealing with an early repair, Miele stands out as one of the strongest choices available. You're paying more upfront, but for buyers who value reliability, build quality, and long-term ownership, that premium can be easier to justify. But remember, these 5 brands don't magically guarantee 15 years of trouble-free performance. No dishwasher can promise that. What they can offer is a stronger starting point. Combine a reliable brand and model with professional installation, regular maintenance, and timely repairs, and you dramatically improve your chances of enjoying dependable service for years. Because the best dishwasher isn't the one with the biggest screen or the most features. It's the one that quietly cleans your dishes year after year. So don't just buy for today. Buy for the next 10 years.